kids, welcome to maths class and today we'll do fractions. So the concept we are going to cover in this chapters are concept of fraction, equivalent fraction and simplest form of fraction, type of fraction and comparison of fractions, addition and subtraction of like and unlike fractions and word problems on addition and subtraction. So we'll start with the introduction. When the whole thing is divided equally into many parts, each part is called a fraction. जब किसी पूरी चीज़ को हम equal part में divide करते हैं, so each part is called a fraction. On Tanya's birthday, her father brings one cake, one pizza. Tanya says her father, Dad, we are 8 members. Then how can we divide this equally in the 8 members? Her father says, no problem, I divide these into 8 equal parts. So तान्या के बर्थडे पे उसके फादर एक केक और एक पिज़्ज़ा लाए एंड तान्या के फादर ने कहा कि इसको इक्वली डिवाइड करना है फ्रेंड्स में एंड तान्या सेड कि हम 8 मेंबर्स हैं तो उसके फादर ने कहा डोंट वरी आई विल डिवाइड इनटू 8 इक्वल पार्ट्स सो ईच विल गेट 1/8 पार्ट. So in the above figure, cake and pizza both are equally divided into 8 equal parts. So each part represent and read it as 1/8. It means one part out of 8 part. The number above, the horizontal line is called the numerator. जो line के ऊपर वाला है 1/8. So 1 is numerator and 8 is denominator. Clear? 17/19 में 17 numerator and 19 is denominator. Next is some more examples of fractions. So here the figure, whole figure is divided into 3 equal parts. After that 2 are shaded. So it will represent 2/3. Here 2 is numerator and 3 is denominator. Fraction is known as 2/3. Here the whole is divided into 8 equal parts. Out of the 3 are shaded. That will represent 3/8. 3 is numerator and 8 is denominator. 3/8. 2/5, 2/5. 5/16, 5/16. Now we'll take an example here. Shade the parts as given in the following figure. 2/8. So solution क्या हो जाएगा? Total 8 part है. Out of that you can shade any 2 part. That will represent 2/8. Clear? Next is fractional part of a collection. Let us find out 2/5 of the 15 toffees. Total 15 है, इसका 2/5 हमको find out करना है. In order to find out 2/15 of 15 toffees, we will divide 15 into 5 equal part, जो हमारे denominator है. 5 equal part में अगर हम divide करेंगे, so in each part there are 3 toffees, like this. Clear? Each part contains 3 toffees. Now shade any 2 part that is equal to the numerator. जो किसके equal हो जाएगा? Numerator के. तो total कितने हो जाएंगे? 3 + 3 6 toffees. Clear? And simple way में हम ये भी कर सकते हैं 15 into 2/5. 5 3s are 15, that is equals to 6. Clear? Next, evaluation time 2.1. Fill in the blanks. The number above the horizontal line, that is called numerator. Numerator. Next, write the numerator and denominator of the following. So 3/17. 3 is numerator and 17 is denominator. Next, write the fraction whose numerator is 12 and denominator is 17. So fraction हो जाएगा 12/17. Clear? Next, write the fraction representing the shaded part. So we will find out how many equal parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of that 3 are shaded. So that will represent 3/6 or we can say 1/2. Clear? Next, shade to show the given fraction. 5/8. So you can shade 8 equal part. Out of that you can shade any 5 part. That will represent 5/8. Next, draw the picture and find of the collection of 12 balls. So you will draw 12 balls. That is the collection of 12 balls. Draw the picture and find of the collection of 15 books. So you can draw the pictures. So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is equivalent fractions. So number से ही पता चलता है equivalent fraction means जिसकी value equal हो. If 2 or more fraction have the same value, they are called equivalent fractions. Look at the following figure. Divide the length into 4 parts. 4 equal parts, so each will represent 1/4. Now divide the same length into 8 equal parts. So after that 2 are shaded, that will represent 2/8. Now the same length divided into 12 equal part, after that 3 are shaded, that will represent 3 by 12. सेम लेंथ को हमने 16 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड किया, आउट ऑफ दैट 4 आर शेडेड, दैट विल रिप्रेजेंट 4 by 16. So it is clear from the figure the shaded part of each rectangular strip is same, but the fraction is different. So 1 by 4, 2 by 8, 3 by 12, 4 by 16 all are equivalent fraction. अगर हम इसको लोएस्ट टर्म में चेंज करेंगे, सबकी वैल्यू क्या होगी? 1 by 4. So all these are equivalent fraction. Learning tips. To check whether two fractions are equivalent or not, we may cross multiply. Let A upon B and C upon D are two fractions. So on the cross multiply, we will get if A into D that is equals to B into C, then A upon B equals to C upon D. If A upon D, A into D is not equal to B, C, then A upon B is not equals to C upon D. Now we'll take an example here. Write first 4 equivalent fraction of 4 by 5. So, whenever we have to find the equivalent fraction, what we'll do? We will multiply the numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. So, here first we multiply by 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So, we'll get 8 by 10, 12 by 15, 16 by 20 and 20 by 25. These are the 4 equivalent fractions of the given fraction. Clear? Do you know? The value of the fraction does not change if its numerator and denominator both are multiplied or divided by the same non-zero number. अगर हम numerator and denominator को same non-zero number से multiply या divide करेंगे, उसकी value change नहीं होगी. Next is simplest or lowest form of the fraction. A fraction is said to be the simplest or lowest form when its numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. अगर numerator and denominator में 1 के अलावा कोई common factor नहीं है, that means they are in lowest form. There are two methods to reduce the fraction into the simplest form. Simply we can cancel both the numerator and denominator by the same non-zero possible numbers, or by taking the HCF of both numerator and denominator. Divide the numerator and denominator by HCF. या तो हम किसी सेम नंबर से उनको कट करें until जब तक कि वो लोएस्ट फॉर्म में नहीं आते, या फिर उन दोनों का HCF फाइंड आउट करके उससे डिवाइड करें. नाउ विल टेक एन एग्जांपल हियर. रिड्यूस द फॉलोइंग फ्रैक्शन टू सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म 28 upon 72. So first we will find out the HCF of 28 and 72. So HCF of 28 and 72 is 4. Now we'll divide both 28 and 72 by 4. So we'll get 7 by 18. That is the lowest form of given fraction. Because 7 और 18 में 1 के अलावा और कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है. Next is evolution time 2.2. Fill in the missing number in the following equivalent fraction. 2 by 5 equals to equivalent fraction है. That means जिस नंबर से हम न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे उसी से डिनोमिनेटर को करेंगे. So 5 के इक्वल क्या है 20. That means 5 को हमने 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. That means हमें 2 को भी 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. So that is equals to 8. Next, write first 5 equivalent fraction to each of the following fraction. 5 by 11. So 5 by 11. So that is equals to 10 upon 22. 15 upon 33. So इस तरीके से आप 4 से 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करके you can find out. Find the fraction equivalent to 5 by 7 having numerator 20 होना चाहिए. So 5 by 7. न्यूमरेटर 20 करने के लिए हमें इसको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. दैट मीन्स हम डिनोमिनेटर को भी 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 20 upon 28. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, फाइंड द फ्रैक्शन इक्वलेंट टू 64 upon 128 हैविंग न्यूमरेटर एज 16. सो मेकिंग द न्यूमरेटर 16 विल डिवाइड इट बाय 4. दैट मीन्स डिनोमिनेटर को भी हम 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे. Clear? Next, which of the following pairs are equivalent fractions? So we have to check whether they are equivalent fractions or not. Cross multiplication से check करेंगे हम. 7 by 18 and 21 upon 54. So cross multiply करेंगे. 7 into 54, 18 into 21. So that is equals to 378. And it is also equal to 378. That means they are equivalent fractions. Next, Which of the following fractions are in their simplest form? 13 upon 17. They are in simplest form because they have no common factor other than 1. Next, reduce the following fractions in the simplest form. 15 upon 25. So 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 3 by 5. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is types of fractions. Like fractions. Like fractions, they are having the same denominator are called like fractions. जिनका denominator same हो, like 7 upon 13, 5 upon 13, 8 upon 13, 1 upon 13, all are having the same denominator 13. So they are like fractions. Next, unlike fractions. Fractions which are having the different denominator are called unlike fraction, like 8 upon 14, 6 upon 13, जिनका denominator different हो वो unlike fractions. Proper fractions, the fractions whose numerator is less than the denominator, that is called proper fraction. Means numerator जो है वो denominator से छोटा होगा. 3 by 10, numerator is 3 and denominator is 10. 7 by 15, 6 by 19, 13 by 17, all these are proper fraction. So all proper fraction have value less than 1. जितने भी proper fraction होंगे इनकी value 1 से कम होगी. Improper fractions of fractions whose numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. अगर जो numerator है वो denominator से greater हो या उसके equal हो तो वो improper fractions होंगे. Like 8 by 6, 7 by 17 by 10, 5 by 4, 9 by 5, all are improper fraction. All improper fractions have value either 1 or greater than 1. Mixed fractions. The combination of natural number and the proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Like 3 1 by 2, 3 whole part हो जाएगा 1 by 2, that is fraction part. Next, method of converting the given mixed fractions into improper fractions. To obtain improper fractions, we multiply the natural number part by the denominator and add the numerator in the given mixed fraction to its product. So improper fraction that is equals to natural number part को हम क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे डिनोमिनेटर से और उससे न्यूमरेटर ऐड करेंगे और उसके नीचे कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर. क्लियर? एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. कन्वर्ट 2 4 by 7 and 5 3 by 11 into improper fractions. So 2 4 by 7. So 7 डिनोमिनेटर है, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम होल पार्ट से. 7 2 is 14 एंड न्यूमरेटर ऐड कर देंगे प्लस 4. 14 plus 4 18 upon 7. Next, method of converting the given improper fraction into mixed fraction. Improper को mixed में से convert करेंगे. Convert 23 by 5 and 77 by 8 into mixed fraction. So 23 by 5. 23 को 5 से divide करेंगे. जो भी हमारा quotient आएगा that will become the whole number part. Remainder will become our numerator and the divisor will become our denominator. So ये हो जाएगा 4 3 by 5. Clear? Next, method of converting unlike fraction into like fractions. Procedure. Find the LCM of the denominator of all unlike fractions. Now convert each denominator of unlike fraction equal to the LCM by multiply the same suitable number in both the numerator and denominator. So इसको हम example समझते हैं तो easy way में समझ में आएगा. Here we have to convert unlike fractions because denominator different is 7 by 10, 13 by 20, 9 by 15 and 2 by 3. All are unlike fraction. So first we have to take the denominators LCM. हमें 10, 20, 15 और 3 का LCM लेना पड़ेगा. So when we find out the LCM, it is equals to 60. Now we will make the denominator 60. So by converting the denominator 60, हम क्या करेंगे, सबको equivalent fraction में change कर देंगे. So now we have to convert each of the given fraction into an equivalent fraction with the 60 as denominator. So what we have to do, like for first fraction 7 by 10. So 60 LCM है, 60 को हम 10 से divide करेंगे 6. Now we'll multiply numerator and denominator both by 6. So 7 6 are 42 and 10. Clear? Same way 13 by 20 है, 60 को 20 से divide करेंगे, we'll get 3. So numerator denominator को हम 3 से multiply करेंगे, 39 upon 60. Like this we'll convert all the fractions into equivalent fraction with the denominator 60. Clear? So ये सारे क्या हो जाएंगे, like fractions. Next, comparing and ordering of fraction. There are 3 methods of comparing fraction: by making the same denominator, by making same numerator और cross multiplication method. First method लेते हैं by making same denominator. Denominator को same करके convert unlike fraction into like fraction जैसा कि हमने पहले किया था. Now compare the numerator, the fraction having the greater numerator, जिसका भी numerator greater होगा उसकी value ज़्यादा होगी. For example, compare the fraction 12 upon 25 and 17 upon 40. Unlike fraction है, first we'll take the LCM of 25 and 40. So LCM that is equals to 200. Now we'll make the denominator 200. दोनों का जैसे कि हमने पहले किया था, so that is equals to 96 upon 200 and 85 upon 200. Now denominator is same, so we'll compare the numerator. The fraction whose numerator is greater will be greater. So 96 is greater than 85. So 12 upon 25 will be greater than 17 upon 40. Clear? Next, by making the same numerator. Procedure, find the LCM of numerator, then make the numerator of all fraction equal to the fraction with a smaller denominator will be greater than the larger denominator. So जब हम numerator equal करेंगे तो हम denominator को compare करेंगे, जिसका भी denominator कम होगा वो fraction greater होगा. Example लेते हैं, compare the fractions 7 upon 10 and 14 upon 17. We'll take the LCM of 7 and 14, that is 14. Now we'll make the numerator same, 14 upon 20 and 14 upon 17. Now we'll compare the denominator. 20 is greater than 17, so जिसकी भी denominator की value कम होगी, that fraction will be greater. Clear? That means 14 upon 17 will be greater than 7 upon 10. Next, cross multiplication method. Let the fraction a upon b and c upon d. Then find a into d means first fraction का numerator को हम second fraction के denominator से multiply करेंगे and we'll find their product. Then first fraction के हमने कर लिया numerator को second fraction के denominator से, next second fraction के numerator को first fraction के denominator से, means c into b. If a into d, a और d का product b और c के product के equal है, means दोनों fraction equal है. If a into d is greater than b upon c, then a upon b will be greater than c upon d. If a into d is less than b upon c, then a upon b will be less than c upon d. Example समझते हैं. We have to compare two fraction 8 upon 15 and 12 upon 25. Cross multiplication करेंगे, 8 into 25, 15 into 12. So 8 upon 25 that is equals to 200 and 12 into 15 that is 180. So that means 200 is greater than 180, that means 8 upon 15 will be greater than 12 upon 25. Next, evaluation time 2.3. Write true or false. Numerator of the proper fraction is greater than its denominator. That is false. Next, choose proper and improper fraction from the following. 23 upon 20, that is improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. Convert the following improper fraction into mixed fraction. 37 upon 8, तो 37 को हम divide करेंगे 8 से, 32 5 by 8. Clear? Next, convert the following mixed fraction into improper fractions. 2 3 by 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11 upon 4. Compare the following pairs of fraction making the numerator equal, 10 upon 13 and 15 upon 18. So we have to make the numerator equal. So 10 and 15 का हम LCM ले लेंगे. LCM will be equal to 30. Clear? So 30 upon 72 हो जाएगा and 30 54. So 72 is greater than 54. That means अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, जिसका भी डिनोमिनेटर छोटा होगा वो फ्रैक्शन ग्रेटर होगा. दैट मीन्स 10 by 18 will be greater than 5 by 12. Clear? Next, compare the following pair of fractions by making the numerator equal. So same way आप 13 and 18 का LCM लेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर सेम करेंगे and then compare the numerator. जिसका भी numerator greater होगा that fraction will be greater. Next, compare the following pair of fraction by cross multiplication method. So 3 into 15, that is 45, and 7 into 10, that is 70. That means 7 upon 15 will be greater than 3 upon 10. Next, arrange the following in fraction in ascending order. So to make the fraction into ascending or descending order, first you have to make the denominator equal, means convert into like fraction. Like fraction में convert करने के बाद ही आप compare कर सकते हैं which one is greater and which one is lesser. So 17, 34, 21 and 68 का LCM लेंगे, make the denominator same, convert into equivalent fraction with the same denominator and then compare and arrange them in ascending and descending order. Same way इसमें भी यही करेंगे, पहले आप denominator same करेंगे, then will compare the fraction and arrange them in descending order. Clear? Next is addition and subtraction of fractions. Addition and subtraction of like fractions. Like fraction have the same denominator, so sum or difference of like fraction that is equals to sum or difference of the number upon common denominator. Example लेते हैं. Add the following 5 upon 17 and 7 upon 17. Denominator same है, that means they are like fractions, so simply we'll add the numerator and write the common denominator below. So 5 plus 7 upon 17, that is 12 upon 17. Clear? Next, addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. So for that we have to change the unlike fraction to like fraction first and then simply जैसे हम add करते हैं वैसे करेंगे. Example लेते हैं. Add the following 3 by 10 plus 4 upon 15 plus 9 upon 25. So first we'll take the LCM of 10, 15 and 25. That is equals to 150. We'll make the denominator as 150. Then we'll convert into equivalent fractions. से like fraction में convert कर देंगे, then simply उनका numerator add कर देंगे. So 45 upon 150, 40 upon 150 and 54 upon 150. So 45 plus 40 plus 54 upon 150, that is equals to 139 upon 150. Clear? Alternative method इसी तरीके से ये किया है. 10, 15 and 25 का LCM ले लिया, that is 150. Now 150 को हम डिवाइड करेंगे 10 से, that is equals to 15. So हमने क्या किया है, जो न्यूमरेटर था उसको 15 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया है. सेम वे 150 को 15 से डिवाइड करेंगे, विल गेट 10, तो 4 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया है. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज एवोल्यूशन टाइम 2.4. एड द फॉलोइंग 3 by 14 प्लस 5 by 14. लाइक फ्रैक्शन है, न्यूमरेटर को ऐड कर देंगे 5 plus 3 8 by 14. इसको हम लोएस्ट में चेंज करेंगे 4 by 7. नेक्स्ट एड द फॉलोइंग 3 by 7 and 5 by 21. So 7 and 21 का LCM लेंगे, that is equals to 21. 7 3s are 21 है, 3 into 3 9 plus 5 14 upon 21. 2 by 3. Always convert into lowest fraction. Next, subtract the following. So same way, like fraction है 6 minus 3 upon 15, that is 3 upon 15, lowest में change करेंगे 1 by 5. Clear? Next, subtract the following 7 upon 13 minus 6 upon 26. So 13 and 26 का LCM ले लेंगे, that is 26 and 14 minus 6 8 upon 26. lowest में change करेंगे 4 by 13. Clear? Next, simplify the following. 7 2 by 5 minus 3 2 by 15 plus 1 7 by 10. So सबसे पहले हम इसको क्या करेंगे, इम्प्रॉपर में चेंज कर लेंगे और हम कर सकते हैं होल पार्ट को हम अलग से करें एंड जो फ्रैक्शन पार्ट है उसको अलग. 7 minus 3 plus 1, then 2 by 5 प्लस माइनस आ जाएगा 2 by 15 प्लस 7 by 10. सो 8 minus 3 that is 5 एंड इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, एलसीएम लेंगे 15, 5 and 10 का. सो एलसीएम विल बी 30. 12 आ जाएगा, 4, so 5 and 21 plus 12, that is equals to 33 minus 4 upon 30. 30. That will be answer. Clear? Next is fill in the boxes. Minus 3 by 5 that is equals to 1 by 5. So वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए आप क्या करेंगे 1 by 5 प्लस 3 by 5 करेंगे. सो दैट इज 4 by 5. आंसर आ जाएगा. सो प्रैक्टिस ऑल द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. नेक्स्ट इज लुक बैक. A fraction is a part of whole thing. A fraction is written in the form of a upon b. Two or more fractions are said to be equivalent fractions if they have the same value. A fraction is said to be in the simplest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. Fraction having the same denominator are called like fraction. Fraction having the different denominator, they are called unlike fraction. Numerator of proper fraction is less than its denominator, and numerator improper fractions that is equal to or greater than its denominator. The combination of natural number and proper fraction is called the mixed fraction. Next is, let's recall. So all these questions we have practiced in chapters. उसी पे based है. So you have to practice all the questions so that you will understand कि आपको चैप्टर कितना समझ में आया है. Next is mental zone. The number below the horizontal line that is called denominator. Next, multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. 4/15 is written as 4 by 15. Clear? So here we end the chapter. I hope chapter आपको समझ में आ गया है. Now to practice it.